Welcome everybody, so I'm playing Merge Elves and I've got another tier 2 nest to make, and this time it's going to be with these penguins. So that's the level 4 there, harvesting on this Stonehenge. They don't have a lot of stamina, they're only 2 per elf, but they're pretty cute and they leave little gifts around the garden as well. So sometimes they'll leave a puddle and sometimes they'll leave some coins. So let's do a merge with these ones. Okay. Hopefully I'll get a better number of eggs in these nests than I did with the raven ones. So they're called great penguin eggs. Let's just merge those up and tap these out. 6, that's not bad. Oh, okay, so I've done quite well there. That's 5 there. That was a 7 in that nest, so that's good. Oh, they've got little blue feet. Troy, and one that's just running away. Gloria. Troy and Gloria. So if I was willing to do a 3 merge, I could actually get up to the level 8, but I think I will wait until I can do a 5 merge. Okay, so it's the great penguin egg and the great penguin baby. So blue and a little blue nose, whereas the penguin baby's got the yellow feet and the yellow nose. But yeah, another cute, really cute elf. I like this one. And those ones come out of out of chests as well. And they come out of the red chests that cost 17 gems each. You can also get bramble eggs out of the ones which cost 17, but the one that you get most commonly is the penguin. And you can merge them up. So if you merge them up to a egg nest vault for 85 gems, then you can get nests and start working on these elves. And of course you can watch adverts to get the chests really cheap. You can just sit there and watch one advert after the next and get the chests and get these elves. Okay, so thanks for watching everybody.